What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update. All right, so we're going to go over a couple of things. We're going to start off with some of the things that have been popping up in the media and things that have been happening, and then we're going to go into some chart analysis and what I'm expecting or what I'm seeing right now from Shiba, and also compared to the last update. So, guys, first and foremost, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and definitely comment below some of your thoughts. Maybe you have some interesting analysis to share. Definitely would love to hear from you as well. So comment below, but don't forget to like and share and subscribe. All right, guys, we're going to be dropping a lot of free content, a lot of coin suggestions, updates, analysis, all types of stuff. Definitely a lot of value for free on this channel. So you definitely want to hit that notification bell. All right, guys. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Okay, so we have Shiba Inu right now up on a chart, and I want to show you something. We were here before, over here, not too long ago. We had this flag pattern forming, and as you can see here, it broke out of the flag pattern and started to consolidate a little bit, and then it actually rested on top of the lines from the flag pattern before breaking back through and dropping. Now, this point here was basically when a lot of fear was getting pumped and people were probably panic selling, right? Because they see it breaking, certain structures, certain levels, and they're getting scared. And I get it, because they're thinking something's going on, right? So at the end of the day, I kept a close eye on this, and I noticed as it was breaking levels, I said, okay, yeah, that's not good, right? And I kind of knew that for me personally, the final level I did not want to see it, break through was this area over here. If I would have saw it go below 0.00040, or even below this level, I would have definitely been considering how low it can go, because that is the previous level when we had those previous flag breakouts that led to the new high. Now, what I did notice, and I bought some more Shiba right down here, was because one of my classic patterns that I love, the W pattern, formed right here. And I teach this, which is, also very easy, common pattern most people who are in the day trading space, know about. W indicates, bullish movement, right? Possible bullish movement. So when I saw this and I saw the break of this W area and then the retest of it, I just knew we were in good hands. We also had some bullish engulfing candles form, which led to ultimately a big push. And now this is where we are right here. So what I actually see going on right here potentially is, another like flag like pattern. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. So it really just depends, because you could draw it from up there. You got this right here. Yeah, somewhat of a pattern there. Now, I do see the other possible way to draw this out. Just depends on the person's preference, which high they want to go from. So I like to just experiment, just draw my lines, draw my trend lines, draw them just to see how price reacts to them. So right now we are like getting tighter and tighter into this area here where, usually when price gets trapped like that, it's like a wild animal in a corner. It's going to lash out. And typically when it's a bullish pattern looking flag, flag pattern, it is typically going to make an impulsive move to the upside, right? A bullish move. Now, that's where we're at right now. So we're just waiting for this to start breaking through some of these levels to the upside and give us some more solid bullish confirmations. But that's where we are right now on chart analysis. So for those who bought this dip down here, who bought in this area, I know I gave it out to my community to buy, stock up on some Shiba around here. And I also did somewhere over here before it came down here. Either one, we still had some solid gains off of those entries or re-entries. Now, as far as regular news, guys, there's a lot of things going on. First off, we all know Robinhood news is going to drop like, any day now, right? Everybody's just waiting. Robinhood stock's not doing good right now, so they really do need a move like this. So it makes sense from a business standpoint for them. Also, Shiba had a little bit of a retracement, so it's actually also good timing for them to make this announcement because people are looking to buy in this area. This looks like a great buying area, right? So it's a win-win situation. So we're still waiting for that news to happen. Now, when they talked in an interview, when they talked to the CEO of Robinhood and mentioned this whole Shiba thing, and the guy asked, well, the CEO smirked, right, in a way where it basically said, okay, there's something's cooking, something's up. Also, you would notice if you did your research that the amount of holders with Shiba has increased. Even though it's going down, the amount of holders was increasing. So that was also throwing me off. And honestly, when you start looking into where the whales are doing, I mean, there recently was a pretty decent whale that bought into Shiba at around this area. So I feel like some people know what's happening. They know what's coming, like inside information. Some of these big guys, right? Because just what's going on with the amount of holders increasing and some of these big dogs, moving their money into it, basically is telling me that maybe they know something, right? And then when you start combining the news of, the AMC CEO mentioned they might use Shiba as a payment method, or questioning it or talking about it even on their social platform. That is pretty crazy. Other smaller platforms talking about Shiba, saying they're going to use Shiba or launch Shiba on their platform. There's a lot of interesting news and a lot of hype happening right now, right when we bounce off this major support level. And now we're forming another bull flag looking pattern. So to be honest, I'm still very bullish on Shiba right now. I think it can definitely recover back to its previous all-time high, and smash through. I do believe with the fact that they're doing things correctly, where they're really planning ways to burn and burn and burn and burn to take out a zero. They're plotting ways to make it happen. Um, Says to me they're doing all the right things to make this a good legit coin that has more long-term potential, um, and more growth than what we see right now. I mean, think about it. Doge went all the way up to about 70 cents, right? At one point. That was all-time high. So we have a lot of growth with these coins that can potentially happen if they do things correctly. And so far, they are. All right. So we got the news potentially coming any day now with Robinhood. We got the flag potential, flag pattern to bounce off a support level. We're just looking good when it comes to chart analysis as of right now. We're looking good in terms of the Shiba army is strong. People are really holding on to their Shiba right now. You could just tell a lot of people are not really just selling off at all. It's pretty crazy that people really do believe in this and they're really holding on. So something big is coming, right? Something big is coming. We're just gotta, just get ready, guys. Just have your moon boots on, have everything ready because we're going to the freaking moon. You guys already know the motto in my trading sessions, right? Moon shot, right? Moon shot is definitely gonna happen. So, just sit tight, relax, and of course, I'll be dropping another update on Shiba Inu in no time. And of course, look out for more videos and other coins that I'm investing in, that we're investing in as a community. None of this is financial advice. None of this is for you to go ahead and just spend money on things I'm talking about. This is just for education, entertainment purposes. You decide to do what you want to do with it, for whatever goals you might have. This is just me, my opinion, and what I'm doing, what my group is doing. So until the next video, guys, stay safe out there in these crazy crypto spaces.